Yes, guys. So let's now begin. We can draw a table. Okay. Draw a table with 3 columns. We can also make a small column for serial number. Write figure in the first column. Then write perimeter. And then write area in the last one. Okay. Now let's start with the first one. Let's start with the first one. This is square. Okay. Our figure is square. Can anyone tell me what is the formula for perimeter of a square?
Ma'am, 4S.
4s. Okay, very good. So this is 4 into side, okay, or side into 4. 4, 4 into side, okay, or 4s. All right. And what is the area of a square?
Square. Side square.
Very good. Side square, okay, or s square. That is the area of square, okay. Now, next we will take a rectangle. Next, we are going to take a rectangle. What's the perimeter of a rectangle?
Ma'am, 2 into L plus B.
That is right. 2 into length plus breadth. Because we have 2 lengths and 2 breadths. Okay. So we take sum of one length and breadth and multiply by 2. Okay. Now, area of a rectangle.
Ma'am, L into B.
L into B. That's right. L into B. Now, we will take the third figure. That is triangle. Can anyone of you tell me the perimeter of a triangle from a
Ma'am, ma'am, ma'am,
yes
3S.
3s or 3 into side? Or if we have irregular sides of the triangle, we do
Add
side plus
add
side.
up.
Okay? We add all the sides. Now, area of a triangle,
Half into base into height.
half into base into height. Okay, base of the triangle and the height of the triangle. Okay, multiply with 1 by 2 half. All right. Now, next we'll do parallelogram. What's the area of a parallelogram?
Perimeter or area?
Perimeter, yeah. Perimeter of the parallelogram.
Same thing, 2 into L plus B only.
2 into L plus B. And what's the area of the parallelogram?
Base into height.
Base into corresponding height. Okay. Next we will take trapezium. Perimeter of trapezium. We take a sum of all the sides, okay? We take a sum of all the sides. All right. Sum of all sides you can write. Now, what is the area of a trapezium?
Ma'am,
Yes.
half into parallel sides into height.
Half into sum of parallel sides into height. Half sum of parallel sides to height. Okay. Then, then what do we have? We have circles. Circle. What's the perimeter of a circle?
Ma'am, up to pi r.
2 pi r. That's right. We have the perimeter 2 pi r. Okay.
You could also just say pi into d, right?
Yes, that is also there. But
Yes,
the
Sunny.
formula is 2 pi r. The main formula is 2 pi r.
Pi into d can be taken when d is given. Okay, but the main formula is 2 pi r. Yep, value by 3.14 or 22 by 7. Okay, formula for the area of the circle.
Pi r square.
That's right. Pi r square. Okay, square of the radius. Square is the yeah, square of the radius. All right. D is base. Okay, h height. L is the length. Hello, Abraham.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I will not be able to write anything is because I'm traveling.
Okay. Okay, no problem. You can just take a screenshot. Okay. Take a picture, or you can watch later on YouTube and write it down. Right? Any other figures that we want to cover? Majorly, we studied about all of these major figures. Okay. Bayesian parallelogram, triangle, square, rectangle, and circle.
What else is there?
Rhombus is there besides them. Okay, but majorly in our syllabus, majorly only these figures are there. Okay, for finding the perimeter and area. Right, majorly we only have these figures.
Rhombus is not there. Kite is not there.
Yeah, rhombus, kite is not there. Other figures are also there, regular polygons, but we don't have them. Okay,
Like
so
pentagon, pentagon, hexagon.
yes, that is right. Okay, so write this table down. Okay, keep it with you for revision. All right. Okay. So I wanted to discuss the test with you all. Okay. Yesterday, I sent you all the copies of the test. Okay, the maths test for the 14th chapter. Any doubts from your side that you want to ask?
No, ma'am.
Simeon and Anna Abraham, anything?
I didn't even see the correction of that.
Okay. Okay, so what you guys need to work on, Simeon, your paper, I was checking. And one thing I want to correct you, when you are drawing the diagram, okay, suppose I have the circle, okay, circle diagram you drew in the third question, okay. So in that diagram, labeling is very important, okay. Labeling the diagram is important, okay. Don't just draw a circle and leave it. Mark the center point, okay. You are drawing a circle of radius 3 centimeters, so make the radius in the circle. Okay, mark the center point O or anything. Make the radius and write 3 centimeters on the radius line. Okay. So this way we have to mark the diagrams. Yeah, we have to mark the diagrams. Same with the question where you guys had to prove it. Okay. Also on the proof question, I have deducted marks from all of your papers. Okay. Why? Because I needed that one line that all the four angles are equal to all the four angles are 90 degrees. Okay, that one ending line, the middle line that was there. Okay, angle this plus angle this plus angle this plus angle this equals to 90 degrees. All right, that thing I was needing in the question. Okay, and that proving one, that question. Okay, like I have explained it to you all. So that thing I deducted marks in your copies. Okay, for the proving question. Okay, else it was easy. Seventh question, everyone got right. Okay, that was good. And half marks are deducted in the fourth question if you've not drawn the diagram. Okay, if you've not drawn the diagram in the fourth question, I have deducted half marks. That question where you had to show that the what side is more closer to the center, the longer side or the shorter. chord, the longer chord or the shorter chord, which is more closer to the center. That question I asked you, right? Okay, so in that also you can draw a diagram. Like I said, that draw the two chords, okay, draw the longer chord, draw the shorter chord. Then from the center, put perpendicular on the shorter chord and put a perpendicular on the longer chord. Okay, then you write the answer that which chord is, then we measure the distance, then we measure the length of the perpendicular from the circle to the chord. Okay, the length which will be shorter, that chord will be closer to the center. The length which will be longer, that chord will be far from the center. Okay, so that way you had to explain. Answers were right, but for diagram I've deducted half mark. Okay, any other doubts from the test? Anything else?
Ma'am,
Yes, Abraham.
uh,
Can you repeat that, Abraham?
the reason I lost 2 marks was because I had not because or I had not answered one question. Is that the reason?
Yes, Abraham, that is the reason. Okay. The rest your paper was good, but since one answer was not there, okay, so I deducted 2 marks. Rest your diagrams and everything was good. Okay, so um, okay, no, Abraham, mm, it will be 26. Okay, I've given 28. It's gonna be 26. I haven't like counted those marks from that answer that you have missed on. And there is
Ma'am,
the
it's 28 to
yes,
26.
yes, it's 20. It will be 26. Okay. I just saw that the last answer also I made the correction. It's incorrect. The sector and segment. Yeah, it will be 26. Okay. I'll make the correction and send you. Okay, so about the sector and the segment, I'll just show you once. Okay. This is a circle. Okay, this is a circle. If I put any chord, if I put any chord, okay, here, then the chord will be dividing my circle into two parts. Okay,
Segments. Segment.
yes, into two parts known as segments. This will also be segment, okay, and this will also be a segment. Okay, then the circle is divided by chord, okay, by a chord. Then the two parts are known as segments. Okay, but if it is divided like this using two radius, okay, I have a center point. I have the center point of my circle here. Okay, I have center point of my circle here and two radius I have made. Okay, here one and one here. Okay, two radius I have made. Now when I've made this two radius, now again my circle is divided into two parts. So this part, okay, is known as sector, and this part is also known as sector. Okay, Abraham. Sectors are made when you use two radius to divide the circle into two parts. Okay, that time both sectors are made. Okay, and segment is made when you use the chord to divide circle into two parts. Okay, got it now? Okay. So tell me, have all of you written the formula sheet? Is it done? The formula?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Yes,
Ma'am, ma'am, this is how I wrote.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, Hedrick, your blur filter is on, so I cannot see anything.
Okay, ma'am, I'll change my background to not blurry.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, now,
So,
now.
sure. Yes, that is good. That's right. Yeah, that's right, Hedwig. Good. All right. So, we have taken the test of the 14th chapter. 15th chapter test is this week, right? Tomorrow. Tomorrow, right? Tomorrow we have the 15th chapter test. And then after that, we are going to take a test from the 16th chapter, area and perimeter chapter. I think I want to give you a little bit more time, 16 December. Yeah. Okay, I'll plan for the area and perimeter chapter test and I'll let you all know. Okay, I'll let you all know about it. Also, please finish all the exercises for this chapter. Okay, take one exercise every day and finish it in this week. You have not already started, finish it in this week. Okay, these exercises from this chapter. Okay, next about the revision classes. About the revision classes, you wanted me to take chapter 9, right? The compound interest and simple interest. Right, guys? Sunil and Anaya, Abraham. Ninth chapter. So we will do the ninth chapter from Wednesday. We will start. Okay, I will do the basics of the ninth chapter.
Ma'am,
Yes,
excuse me,
Abraham.
ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, shouldn't it be 28, 20, shouldn't be 27 and a half? See,
shouldn't be 27 and a half. Let me open your paper once again.
ma'am, is because in the first question, I got full marks. The second
Hmm.
question, I got full marks. Third question also, I got the same. In the fourth, even. In the fifth, half mark got cut.
Hmm.
And then the seventh and the seventh and the sixth, I got full marks. And only in the fourth, in the fourth I got uh 2 marks cut. So
Okay,
ma'am,
Abraham,
shouldn't be 27.
yeah, have you left any question besides this? Did you leave any question out? You have question one, first
Uh,
part, second, two, first part. Okay, two for second part you have here at the end. Sector and segment. Okay. Yes, Abraham. Then 2 marks I cut for the last question that was wrong. Okay, and half marks will be cut from this fifth question. So yeah, it will be 27 and a half. Okay, it will be 27 and a half. All right.
thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So Wednesday we'll start with the revision with the chapter 9. Okay. This week we'll revise the ninth chapter, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay. And next week on, I can take your doubts from any other chapters as well. Okay. I can take your doubts from other chapters too. Okay. So please revise them in this weekend. Please revise the chapters that you find difficult and ask your doubts. Okay. Any doubts from the concepts, any doubts from any of the topic. Okay. Ma'am, long division is hard. Ma'am, this is hard. Okay. I'll explain it to you once again. Okay. So ask your doubts. Nine chapters done. So next week we can just do a quick revision of the algebraic equation chapters. Okay, fourth or I think fifth and sixth chapter. We can do the algebraic equation, linear equation revision in the next week. Okay. And after that, you guys will start with your Christmas holidays. All right, from the 23rd. So, any other doubt till now? Anything you want to ask?
Are we finished with the 15th chapter now?
Are we finished with the 15th chapter? Yes, we have finished with the 15th chapter.
No, sorry, I mean the 16th.
16th, yes, 16th is also done. Okay, today from my side, 16th chapter is finished, but now it's your work. Okay, you guys have to practice the questions. Okay, you guys have to practice the questions. All right, practice it. Take this week, practice and ask your queries. Okay, keep asking your queries, doubts. Right? Okay. Okay, so that's it for the math class today. I'm not like really starting with the ninth chapter today itself. Okay, since there is less time, we'll start it fresh on Wednesday. Okay, math test tomorrow of the 15th chapter. Please prepare well. Okay, please prepare well. Anything else that is there? No. Okay. Okay then. Edric and Aya. See you all then. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay. Abraham cannot write right now, but I wanted to give
Ma'am,
you all.
can you repeat? I can't hear.
You cannot write right now, right? Because you're in travel.
Yeah, ma'am, I cannot write.
Okay. All right. So we can do one thing. When are you reaching Abraham?
Ma'am, I'm reaching in the evening to go in Goa.
You're reaching in the evening at Goa. Okay. All right. So we'll like take a 2 minutes break, both of you. Okay. After that, I'll be giving you all some questions. Okay. To answer. All right. Some questions to answer. And you guys have to like answer Simeon can do now. Okay. Like first you just write down the question and this is mark the question will be. Okay. I'll be giving you all a marking for the question. Okay, word limit also. So you have to like take today's day and write them, answer them. Okay, and then send a picture to me. Okay, I want to see like are you able to answer them well. Okay, this is a practice. All right, so that we are going to do. Okay,
Ma'am, how long
yes,
will the
Ikra.
questions be?
How long the question will be? I will make them right now. Okay. So I'll see like two to three questions I'll be giving you.
Ma'am, and will they be tick the following or?
No, no, it will be theoretical questions, subjective type.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Yeah. 2 minutes break for you all and then we'll begin. Okay, let's begin. Let's begin. First question. Give the difference between virtual and real image. This is 5 marks.
Ma'am, will you send this question to me?
Yes, Abraham. I will send this question to you. Okay. Second question. Explain the endocrine system. With the help of diagram. This is 6 marks.
I don't remember all this.
You don't remember all this? It's okay, Simran. You can study
No,
or
like I don't remember the endocrine system, some of the glands.
okay, so study it. Okay, like today morning after this class is over, you study, and evening you can attempt. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Abraham.
I don't remember any of these questions.
You can also study it. Okay. You can also revise them in morning and send. Sorry, revise them in the morning and attempt the test in the evening.
Ma'am, how to, ma'am? Tomorrow's math test.
Tomorrow's math test. Okay. So
Why are you taking all that?
Can I attempt it right away?
How you'll say?
attempt it right away. Um, attempt it right away. I'm not saying to you all that to attempt it right away, okay? Because I get it that you might not remember these topics, okay? So attempting right away, I'm not saying, all right? But yeah, whenever you get the time, okay, once the preparation for the math test is done, okay, take the time till tomorrow evening, okay, take time till tomorrow evening and then do, okay? Like, okay, I'll give you a science class of tomorrow along with math, okay? So you can study for science and math, like study these topics from science, prepare for the math test, okay, do the math test, and then do these answers as well, okay, without looking, but you have to do. If you want, I'm giving you all 1 day to study these topics, okay? After that, you write these topic answers, okay, and do the math test also, right? Now that is okay.
Yeah.
Abraham, that's okay now.
Ma'am, you want me to do the test on Wednesday?
No, do the math test tomorrow, okay? But this science one also you can take, do it till tomorrow and send me. Both the classes I'm giving off, so tomorrow morning also you have, okay?
Ma'am, can you please give it till Wednesday?
Wednesday morning, then it will be. Because I cannot like stay stuck on the same thing for like 3 days now. Tomorrow evening, won't it be possible tomorrow evening, tomorrow night?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Tomorrow night also, if you even if you send it to me tomorrow night, that is also okay. All right. Also, no classes for science and maths tomorrow. Okay, so morning you have free to study and to write. Okay. Afternoon you have test for math, and then you can just take some time and do this one. Okay. This is 5 marks. This is a glimpse of your section, the last section from your half-yearly exam. Okay, you can say that this is a glimpse of the last section of your half-yearly exam. Okay, since I said it's gonna be a lengthy paper, okay, it's gonna be a lengthy paper. So let's keep a time limit for this. Let's keep a time limit for this 45 minutes. Okay, I am giving. Try to finish it in 45 minutes itself. Okay, in 45 minutes itself. All right. You have diagrams, two diagrams, okay, and three answers that you have to write. All right. Don't try to take like 45 minutes. You have to finish it in 45 minutes. All right. How to write the answers? Difference between virtual and real image. Like I say, always draw columns when you're writing the answer. The differences when you're writing. Okay. So draw two columns for the first answer. Okay. And I say that the number of points, those number of marks you have to like write, all right? Around two liner points for every mark of the question. Okay. So now you know that how many points to write in the distance. I gave you all a whole table. From that table, okay, you can put any 5 to 6 points. For the second question, explain the endocrine system with the help of a diagram. Okay, make a diagram of all the glands. Okay, explain each gland. Okay, like not very big explanation, not 5 line, 4 line explanation, but yeah, 2 to 3 line explanation for every gland. Okay, what is endocrine system that you have to answer? Then each gland, 2 to 3 line, you have to answer. Then the third question, electroplating, with the help of a diagram. Okay, right? What is electroplating? Okay, how it's done? Those two things. All right, and then make a diagram. Okay. Again, this is 5 marks. So nearby, I'll need you all to cover. Like in the third question, since it's not in points, you all can cover 12 to 15 lines. Okay. Anywhere between 12 to 15 lines you can write. All right. Anything else? Cover this. Write this in 45 minutes. This all the three questions. Okay. Because we are going to practice the speed. Okay. The writing speed we are going to practice through this paper. Okay. So do it, finish it. Okay. Anything else you want to ask? You can ask me right now. Abraham, anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so Nian, you can study these topics right now. Okay. If you want, you can study these right now. You all have the time till tomorrow evening or night. Okay, till tomorrow night. Study them, study these topics, and then answer the paper. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, then we'll be meeting now on Wednesday. Okay, tomorrow is off because you have both a short test of science, practice test of science, and major test of math. Okay, so it's gonna be an off. It's gonna be an off tomorrow for both the classes. We'll be meeting on Wednesday. Okay.